first step for plant wash in dairy farm is to lock the CIP like that. After locking the CIP, the water goes from this hose to the drain. Clean the cups properly. Now it's time to put the cups into the jitter. First of all, we have to lock the bottoms properly from the underneath of that cups. Wash the platform again. Press and hold pump out receiver. After pressing that button, we have to push that next button. After pressing that, we can see a green light is blinking. Just wait for that green light. We can see the milk is coming out. Those milk are of sick cow, mastitis cow, penny cow. So we have to dump that milk. Turn that into the wash. I already filled the cold water, which is 600 liter. After that, slowly, gently release that lock so that those cold water will wash the platform, all the cups. Personally, I like to add more cold water, so I turn it on. Easy for me to wash today. So after that, after I wash all the platform with this cold water, and I will start again washing with hot water by adding this acid, 900 liters of acid. So after making, this is already messed up, so it's 600 liter of cold water in the morning. 600 liter of cold water. So 600 liter of cold water, 300 liter of hot, 600 liter of hot water, 600 hot water with 900 ml of aqua. This is the acid, that's the Equalate. So 900 ml of acid. And for this is the evening afternoon milking. And this is the process for evening plant wash. So cold water, just turn it now. This tank is already 600 liter. 600 liter of water over here in this tank. So I am adding more by turning that on for more wash. See guys, water is coming out. Those are all the plant wash water. After water is empty, I just lock it again. Lock it again. So it's time to fill the hot water. I'm opening the hot water. In the hot water, it will go 900 ml. 900 ml of the acid. This much. Fill that tank with 600 liters of hot water. Lock all the connection and release that lock slowly, gently. That water tank is of 600 liter. We can see after 10 to 15 seconds we can see water is coming over here, the hot water with acid. Over here we have 60 cups, 60 rotary bell system. We can see guys, water is coming over here and it is washing 60 cups at the same time. After water is empty, like it. Properly, put that in weight again. Put to force it out the remaining water. I press this one and I will wait for 5 to 10 seconds. And press this one and the water will come out. Over there. After we turn off the platform, it's time to take out the dirty milking filter. So we have 2 milking filter. Those white are milking filter. Look, we can see there are many grasses, so many seeds over there, cow seed. Just take it out, wash it properly and replace with the new one for next milking. Furthermore guys, we have to clean the milking filter area. I prefer to wash it with the hot water because on those area there are so many milk fat. So I will choose the hot water to clean it. I will clean all those rubber, lead, and you can see guys, there are 2 cylinders where we put a milk filter. So I'm cleaning it now with the hot water. At last we can take the cups out from the cheater. It will be easy for next milking. So my friends is taking the cups out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, do and subscribe.